What are you doing there?
2, 23, 2. I snuck in Pokemon.
Pokemon into
Pokemon names. I did 32. Pokemon.
I didn't really.
You didn't notice I was smoking.
I didn't know any.
I was smuggling in Pokemon.
I didn't hear Charizard. I didn't
do the big ones, but I did Oddish, Mr. Mine, Metapod, Farfetch.
You said Oddish, and I was like, is he mispronouncing again? I didn't want to keep.
I said Electrode instead of electric bill. Yeah, I did that for a purpose. 32 Pokemon.
We got pranked. You got me. You got me. 32 Pokemon. That's funny.
When I say people ask what I do, I say I'm a comedian, which I know, it's a kind of an odd job. Maybe not that oddest, maybe not super odd job, but it's odd-ish job.
Let's put it this way. Odd people do comedy.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. And I do regular comedy. I'm not like Mr. Mime out there because it would be, I go to sleep. I'm curious about this podcast. I mean, is it going to be on like Facebook and Instagram?
YouTube?
YouTube? Okay, all right. So I was curious if it's like a Metapod or if it was more of just a regular, just like iTunes thing.
Oh, it's everywhere.
Okay, fun.
Literally everywhere. Spotify.
Thanks, Spotify.
Well, then let's break down the major stuff. What are you spending on your house? You own your house?
On my house, I have a mortgage on my house. It's not too far-fetched. It's $1,435.
You're abnormal.
Well, thanks. I appreciate it. I've been called abnormal. I've been called crabby. I've been called all sorts of stuff. But,
So you're paying extra. So pretty much.
On a lot of things, I'm a slowpoke. But on my mortgage payment, I'm trying to be as
very
fast as
fast.
I can. Well, the hot tub leaked. I mean, it was all over. There was water. It was just Squirtle here, everywhere. It was just so wet. You couldn't believe it.
Let's talk debt. Do you have any debt besides
the mortgage? No.
So there's literally no consumer debt.
No. I think debt is ghastly. I'm not for
good for you.
Debt. I just want to get rid of it, and I have for a long time. So no student loan debt, which as a doctor, did I tell you I was a doctor? As a doctor is a big deal. I wasn't sure, but in this podcast, if it was like who was going to be like more on the mic, is the star me, the star you? I don't know what was going on, but I'm appreciating it. It's fun.
Back and forth.
But I have 2 cars. One of them has 240,000 miles on it.
That is quite the flex.
Yes. It also smells like farts.
Native farts.
These are owned farts. I mean, the whole place, it is real mucky in there. It is pretty gross.
These are not foreign farts. These are domestic.
Domestic, homegrown.
Yeah, okay.
Homegrown farts.
Okay, all right.
I think the dogs, at this point, they're really part of the family, which is unfortunate.
Right.
Yeah, no, but
you love them too.
They're all right.
Okay, all right.
I mean, it's fun because they'll be all drowsy and then they'll sleep on your lap, and that's kind of fun.
Yeah.
So I'm looking at like the fixed expenses. You have the water, you have the electrode bill, all of those other utilities. Do you think it would behoove me to get a different kind of car, like a Tesla or an EV or something like that?
Oh no.
Okay.
Because you're going 6-8 hours.
Yeah,
if you'd like to, because you got to stop every 3.
Well, I mean, we're spitballing ideas here.
How much does it cost to go to the vet?
$79.
$79 for the dog to clip their nails.
They also empty the anal glands.
Good Lord.
Which is not something that I would want to do. Do you want to do that? You got a bucket and like just a sour face, That's a gloomy day right there. That's a gloomy day.
Yes. If your dogs require anal gland emptying, sure, hire that out. Is this per month? This is per month.
This is not. No, it's like once every 2 months.
Oh, it's only once every 2 months.
Yeah.
They could store up their anal glands for 2 months.
Yeah.
They're basically camels.
They're basically camels. And they clean each other. I mean, they got licky tongues. I mean, they're really...
They clean each other's anal glands?
They do a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. This is the most disgusting dog situation. Hey, was there anything else in your budget that you had questions about, thoughts, things that you're like, wait a second, I don't know about this?
Ooh. The only thing I've thought about budget-wise would be like home improvements. Mm-hmm. Like our driveway I could use like as asphalt or maybe like a graveler coming in there and make it a little bit nicer. We have the hot tub room, and we have a deck that's inside in the hot tub room. I don't know if you need to seal that. I don't know what you need to do. So there's some like home improvement things.
I know you had a roof. You had to replace.
I did replace a roof with cash.
Right.
which is pretty cool. I mean, I think that's a fun deal. I mean, some people like to, some people spend $10,000 and they go see Paris. I got a new roof.
Hey, there
you go. Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know if you're allergic to dogs. You come in here coughing and wheezing. I don't know if that's what it is.
I love dogs.
Okay, there you go.
I love dogs. If you were trying to keep up with the Joneses, you'd have more expensive cars if you have a whole bunch of debt on. You'd have a 3 times bigger house. You'd have a whole bunch of issues.
Have a barn. Have a couple of horses.
Yeah. You'd be wasting your money, on a bunch of stuff. So
what about gold? I don't have any gold.
Okay.
Should I get silver? Should I get goldine?
Gold right now is at an all-time high. It's over the spot price of gold is like over 4,000. Right at this exact moment may not be the best time to have gold.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I was just thinking of the parable of the. I don't know if this, it's not like like the parable of like the golden eggs and the gold duck with the golden eggs.
That's not a parable.
Well, it's
not a biblical parable.
Well, I didn't say biblical parable.
Are you sure you got your PhD?
I didn't say biblical. I was going to say I didn't know if all of your listeners are Bible thumpers. You've got your criteria here, and I recognize that I budget very well, and that I'm out of debt. I didn't have a ton of debt to begin with, but I went to school and grad school and all that stuff with debt. And so I had to dig out of that. I mean, just kind of dig lit out of it, not a whole lot. And
like we want to have tax, capital that's already been taxed, that's ready to go, that you can then put into passive income, that you can go acquire a bond, a dividend, a fractional, a note, real estate, something.
A Persian rug.
No.
Okay.
So I would consider finding a separate side hustle.
Interesting. Yeah.
Something else that might produce the same type of income, but that might give you a little bit more juice, more freedom, more life, something that doesn't drain you.
Right? Yeah, okay.
Only because
something that makes me a little more wiggly tough.
Yeah, wiggly, jiggly.
Yeah,
something like that. Get clear on your purpose. We call it legacy.
Ooh, purpose.
Purpose.
Like a purpose-driven life.
Like a purpose-driven
Alakazam, boom.
Yeah.
There it is.
Because you've got some things to offer.
Yeah.
And frankly, it would be a really nice thing for you to kind of say, you know what, the reason I wake up in the morning is not to just go to this job that I hate, but that I can go help people.
Yeah. Not like collect rocks like some geo dude over here, but like somebody that has something to give to the people and they can appreciate it.
Yeah, exactly right. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button right now. You don't want to miss the next episode. Every week, we drop practical money strategies and real stories that'll change the way you think about wealth.